Oh, good morning. I've been sitting in my bag for way too long. It's nice and toasty in here. Guys, that windstorm that started last night got a lot worse, but it is so cozy in here. You can't hear or feel any wind at all. I mean, listen. You can't hear anything. You know, it's not exactly warm in here, but without the wind, it's a really manageable temperature. All right, enough talking. I gotta go use the bathroom bad. Oh. Look at that. We got some serious snow in the shelter. Oh. 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 Oh, my gloves are so frozen. Yep, those are frozen solid. My stove is under here. There's like 6-8 inches of snow in the bottom of my shelter. Oh my goodness. Holy mackerel. Oh, it is really blowing out here, folks. Woo. Look at that, the wall is completely buried. Look at that. It's gotta be gusting 50 miles per hour out here. It's hard to stand up. Barely see my stairs. Oh, look at this. Oh, well, looks like I got some digging to do if I want to make breakfast.